Hey guys, this is Matthew Hazlip. Hey, I just want to show you my 7 segment counter with, I got 3 LEDs that flash at different times. They actually flash as it goes through its segments. There's a few of them up here, kind of shows a little bit. Got one that flashes when the number 1's on. Number 2. And then I also got it over here what each number is as far as the description of it. And then at the end of my code, I got where I flash the 0 2 times. It's just like a reset. Doesn't really do anything. It's just kind of for the purpose of the code. And then after that, I went ahead and added on a couple more flashing LEDs, and I got the flashing period mark. Also, just for fun. I had them flashing a lot faster with a shorter delay on them, as you can see. Right there. So, just wanted to post a video, the short code. Anybody has any questions or anything, send me a message. One of my next videos, I believe I'm going to put up a servo motor. I didn't put a description in here, I just put the pin codes and all as outputs. I kind of, one of the nice things I did like about the back of the 7-segment counter I ended up buying from Radio Shack. It was actually fairly cheap also. But I ended up picking it up from Radio Shack, and it actually has the pinout on the back of it. Told me where everything went, and from that I just drew up a list of where I ended up putting my pin wires to what pin as far as on my Arduino. And I'll find that list real fast so I can just kind of give you a general description of how I did it. So, in here it shows you, there's a drawing of what each pin was. So you got your sides, your middle, and over here I just went what sides I needed to make up what numbers. So like 0 would be 1, 14, 13, 8, 7, 6, all the way down to 9. We ended up doing up here, I wrote the order they were in as far as which side, because that was how I did my Arduino. Up here at the top for the pins, the red on that side, and then like the orangish ones on this side with the green are the inputs. Well, I guess you use outputs, I'm sorry. So you look on here, you go up here, this is where I have each pin going. So it's pin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as far as on the Arduino. And then the 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 13, and 14, and 9 are the ones that are actually on the 7-segment counter. On this, I do have it going from ground. It's the common. We go back and look on here. You have your common cathode, which is your ground. You have 2 of them. You have 4 and 12. So I went ahead and tied them 2 together on here, and I both have them going through a resistor to ground. If I didn't use the resistor to ground, it had more of an orangish color to it, and this is supposed to be, it's digital red, so it's a red LED. So I hope this kind of gives somebody a little idea. This is just like some basic programming that could help you get started. There's a lot of wiring for it, but as far as the code's not too bad once you kind of understand it, but it is a good practice, for a project or whatever, just to kind of get acquainted with the 7-segment and some LEDs and some basic programming and the way the instructions work. So, alright guys, this has been a short video, and thank you for watching, and as always, comment and subscribe. Thanks guys.